Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and in this video I will show you how to use split screen feature on your laptop. So first let's open two separate windows, and if you want to use them both conveniently at one screen, you just have to grab one of the Windows top bar and drag it over to the top of your screen. And right here you'll be able to select one of the options of aligning this window. For example, if I want to place it on the left side, I'm gonna pick this one, and then clicking right here I can set the other window to be placed on the other side. And by dragging this this bar, I'll be able to reshape and resize each window. You can place up to 4 separate windows on your screen the same way. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.